Today, we are doing a fun activity to improve presence of mind in kids. In the first activity, roll down coins from a plank and ask the kid to collect it in a box. This fun game for kids works on observation and increases their speed to respond to the stimulus. Once the kid gets used to this, you can complicate it by using smaller objects, smaller vessel to collect and increase the speed. Let's go to the second one. This is a game we have all played in the arcades, where we hit the frogs coming out of the holes. This is a kid's version of the same game. Again, it focuses on the action and reaction principle. These activities sharpen the eye-hand coordination and builds up a better muscle memory. It also improves your attention and alertness. In the third one, you give them a mixed bag of spoons and forks and ask them to sort it just by watching the ones you raise. In the previous activity, their hands were where their eyes were. Here, eyes are at the object you raise and the hands try to pick the same object somewhat by the sense of touch. With all these activities, a conflict happens inside their brain to coordinate the eyes and hands. These conflicts are the best way to sharpen your mind. The faster you respond to the actions around you, the sharper is your presence of mind.